channel. If you took the time out to click on my channel, thank you so much. Today we're actually going to have a Shein unboxing and actually a Shein try on haul. But first we're just going to unbox it. So I just got this big box right here. This is going to be the first thing that I'm going to open up. So first things up, I got these sweats. They're in the color gray, as y'all see. They wide legs. These are going to be, I think they're going to fit nice. I liked it on the model. Alright, next up is this shirt that I thought it was so cute. And the material, yes, is given. Because it's like a grayish, but it's like a off, I don't know, it's like an off gray. I'm not too sure, but I like the color. And it's in a size medium. I thought, like I just mentioned, I thought this was actually a t-shirt. So actually a t-shirt, so therefore I got it in a medium, but it's actually, I mean, I just love it even more. So I'm thinking maybe I could pair this with the sweats that I just showed y'all. So hopefully that'll look cute together. Let's see when I do the try on haul. I just wanted to unbox everything first. Let's see what else we got here. So this is another shirt. It says Escape the World. So I thought that was cute when it said that. So that's what caught my eye. And I like the color. It's like a beige, like a nice tan color. So yeah. The girlies all over TikTok's been buying this bag. So I'm like, you know what, let me just purchase one for my own and just to see like what's the hype about. Because I mean, I see like a lot of reviews on it and they always talk about it highly. So I said, why not grab one and just see for myself. So this is why I purchased one. And it's pretty cute. Alright, so this is another shirt. I thought it was like a cute, it was like a nice dressy shirt, like just to feel kind of dressy because it's a dressy material, and I like the color in it. It's like a off gray, like tannish color. So this is the way it is. So this is another shirt. Alright, so this is another shirt and I think it's so freaking cute. I'm in love with the shirt because I love what it says actually. It says, it's never luck, it's always God. So I think that was so cute. It just caught my eye when it said that. I was like, definitely has to have it, and I love the colors in it. So I thought this was a little bit longer, but as I see they're a little bit shorter, so I'm going to have to see the length of them because I don't like wearing like, you know, like little short shorts. I think I'm a mom, so you know, like I like to feel grown and sexy and classy, not, you know. So anyways, but these are cute. Besides the point, these are so cute. Hopefully they fit nice so I could actually keep them and not have to return them. I liked it on the model. That's the reason I got it, but hopefully it fits me like the model. Alright, so this is a shirt and it has like a bag. Okay, so this is a handbag. Let's see what it's looking like. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more heavier, but maybe once I stuff it. Cute though, just to keep and just to carry, like, you know. I mean, I believe she was less than like, I think she was like $5 or $6. So yeah, she's pretty cute. We're keeping her. This is another handbag. Mind you, the reason I bought these little handbags is because I want to like wear it with certain outfits. So this is another handbag, and just carry it like this, and then carry it like this, like, you know. That's kind of cute, right? And I like the color. The color caught my eye. So today we actually have a Shein unboxing. We're gonna unbox this box right here. And easy. Alright, we're gonna start with accessories. As far as like, I got this cute little gold earrings. I actually thought it was actually bigger. I thought this was going to be a little bit bigger, but this turned out to be this size. So I guess I'll keep them. Because I believe there was only like not even $2. So that wasn't pretty bad. I got this Van Cleef bracelets. Look at how cute. It's actually like a beige color, but it looks black right about now. I don't know why. But it's like a beige color. Didn't notice I placed two of the same kind of earrings, but I guess from two different sellers. So these are the way they look. They kind of cute also. They round. And I also placed me a bangle from them. Had these before, but I lost one, so I just reordered me another pair. So I ordered these pants. I thought it was more like sweatpants, but they cotton material. So I said even better because, you know, like I won't be as hot. And they wide legs, and I actually tried them on and they fit really pretty cute. I like the way they fit on me. I got this shirt. It's like more like a t-shirt, like it's pretty cute. It's actually a small, and it says escape the world, so I thought that was pretty cute, the words that it says. I mean, who does not want to escape at times, right? I'm guessing, okay, this is the front piece, so it goes like that, and this is the back piece, the back out. This shirt right here, I'm so in love with. I love the material of it. Oh my god, I'm so in love with the shirt. I love the color. I love the material. So this shirt right here, look at how cute. I'm loving the colors. The colors are so cute. It says it's never luck, it's always God. I think that was so cute. So I was like, yeah, it caught my eye and my attention. All right, so these are so cute also, and these are stretchy. I got these in a medium, and they look, and these are stretchy, but I got them in a medium. They look kind of small, but hopefully they do fit. I got me like a bra. So moving on, these are handbags. So the first handbag is, the girlies all over TikTok's been buying this bag. So I'm like, you know what, let me just purchase one for my own, and just to see like what's the hype about, because I mean I see like a lot of reviews on it, and they always talk about it highly. So I said, why not grab one and just see for myself. So this is why I purchased one, and it's pretty cute. And then I also got this one that I think it was pretty cute too. And I mean, I think it'll look nicer once I stuff it a little bit, but just to carry it, why not, you know, have it. Oops, we forgot something. A shirt. I got this shirt right here. It's a dressy like shirt too also, so this is pretty cute. It's like kind of like a little high rise neck. And I also picked up this black purse, and this goes on it, so you can put it like around your wrist and just carry it, or just carry it like, I don't know, however you want to carry it. So I also picked up this one. It's the same one as the black one I just showed y'all. So this one has the thing on. I put it on earlier. And this is so cute. Once I stuff it, it's going to be like easier kind of to carry. Because, you know, you can just hold it like right here. Because you have to put stuff in it, you know. Like your makeup, your little, you know, your phone, whatever it is that you're going to put, your wallet. Definitely the wallet, because we need the debit card. Alright, this is actually one of my favorites by far. I'm in love with this one, and I don't care if we don't like it. I think this is so cute. I just can't wait to, like, I don't know, just to rock it somewhere. I think it's so cute, and of course it has the strap too, but I'm not gonna put it on right now. But I like it. I think she is so pretty, and she's pretty. She's a vibe, right? And I also got me 2 pair of shoes. Well, like heels, not shoes, heels. These are more like a leather material, and they feel like not a suede material. It's kind of like, I don't even know how to describe the material as much, but I tried them on and they do look cute on my feet, so I'm gonna keep them. And so these are like the kitty heels, kitten heels, I'm not sure, but they only like 3-inch heels, so this is why I liked these. Looking nice. All right, so next pair of heels, I got me these also. I've been trying to get these for like at least like 2 years. I know since last summer I had them in like my cart and like Pretty Little Thing. Shein, there was like every website I would look at and I would see these. I would actually put them in my cart so I could place them, but I never placed, like, you know, never bought them. So this year I actually got to them. And yeah, so I think they're so freaking cute, as y'all see. And they're still 3-inch heels. So I like the little heel on them, not too high. And the last thing that I got was these slides right here. Maybe I can really see them. Alright, so that was basically it for my little unboxing. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and thank you so much.